How to adjust page margin in your docs. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your docs or your Word. If you are using Word, the process is still the same. Now, in order to make or adjust your border spacing, what you will have to do is you will find a scale over here. Now tap on this line intent, and from here you will be able to choose from where your text will start. So if I set it to here, now my text will start from this piece, this line. You can adjust it the way you want in both the sides. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.